So dear students, today we will discuss about the next topic of this chapter, that is the video conferencing. So what is the video conferencing? The video conferencing is a technology which lets the users in different locations to hold face-to-face meeting without having to move to a single location together. What does it mean? It means that if there are people who are physically present at the different locations, geographical locations, they can talk to each other by looking at each other. So nowadays there are many softwares which provide us video conferencing, such as the WhatsApp, the Google Duos, the IMO. So we can call a person and we can talk to that person face to face. So there are different levels of video conferencing. One is called as one-to-one. One-to-one means when the one person can talk to the other person. But there are, or these are the video conferencings which are done while doing the personal calls and one-to-one talks. But there are video conferencings which are done at the business level, while a discussion is taking place between the different people. Then we can have the many to many video conferencing where many people can talk to other, or one to many we can say, or person is talking to many other people, and vice versa. So video conferencing is obviously a very uh, useful technology where we can talk to the others like we all are sitting at the same location. Then next topic is the news groups. So what is the meaning of news groups? The news groups are the discussion groups which are formed on the internet where people can come together and about discuss about a particular topic. So what is the meaning of news group? The news group is, uh, for example, you are very fond of automobiles, cars, then you can make a group about the automobiles and many people can log into that particular group and they can talk about their passion about the cars of different brands and different companies, and they can exchange information and useful uh, data about a particular topic. So it could be, a news group could be created on any topic, cooking or mountaineering or biking or whatever interest you have, painting, calligraphy, um, so whatever, gaming, so whatever uh, interest you have, according to that interest we can make a group and on the internet, and we can exchange and discuss about that particular topic. Now let's come to the another topic, which is online reservation. So I think nowadays all of us are very much have become tech savvy, where we need not to go to any place for performing any task. Most of the things can be done while we are sitting at home using the internet. So one of these things is reservation. If you want to go somewhere, if you want to travel, then obviously you want to reserve a ticket of railways or maybe a bus or a airline, that you can very easily do by sitting at your home and using internet connection. And there are different websites which are available, such as IRCTC is for the railway booking, and the yatra.com, the Bus is for the bus reservation if you want to reserve tickets for the bus travel. So online reservation is obviously a very handy tool where you need not to go to a bus station or to a railway station or to any agent for airlines or the for booking airline booking. So you can sit at home and you can very easily do the booking. So booking could be done very easily There are so many websites which are available on the internet which will let you and help you in booking the tickets for you. So here we have given one uh, case study and example of how the booking can be done on IRCTC. IRCTC is a site of railways, Indian Railways, which will let you book a ticket for you or many tickets for you and your family members. So how we can book a ticket? It's very simple. Log on to the site of IRCTC. You must have a registered user ID and a password. If you don't have, then you have to create it. Then click on the then a book ticket page appears, and here you have to select the place from where you want to travel and to the place, means the destination to which you want to travel. And then you have to click on the find train option. So on the next page you will be given the list of trains which are available and their timing, the train name, all are given. Then you can select one of the trains and click on the type of class in which you want to travel. Type of the class means if you want to travel in the first class, second class, or general class, whatever class you want to. Then you have to you can get the availability, that whether the seats are available on this particular train or not, or this particular class or not, what is the fare and of one passenger. Then you can click on book now. You can click on book now option, and then you have to enter the name of the passengers, age, gender, uh, food preferences. Then the details of the ticket will appear, that is the total fare, availability of the berths. And after checking all the details, click on continue booking. Now the next step is to pay. Now you can pay for the tickets by clicking on using the credit card or debit card, net banking or Paytm wallets or Paytm, whatever you want, uh, you can give. Then select the preferred payment option, whatever payment option you want to prefer, you may click on that payment option and you can pay. After successful payment, you will get a SMS on your registered mobile number, and you can also print electronic reservation slip that will be considered as your tickets that you have booked. So when you will travel in the train, you can show the TC, that printed slip where you have the details of the seats or berths that you have reserved for yourself. Now let's come to the next topic, that is the blogs. So what is a blog? A blog is a term which comes from the term weblog. It is on a website which is published on the World Wide Web for posting the posts continuously, and these posts appear in descending order. The newer posts appear at the top and the older posts keep on going down to the bottom. So blog could be written by anyone, any celebrity, any politician, even any individual can also write the blogs about a particular topic, day-to-day happenings, or whatever. If there is an area of interest about it also, the person can write the blogs. So blog can be made by using a separate website which is reserved for that particular blog, or there are different websites such as the Twitter, which is a microblog blogging website used for blogging, where you can create your own page and you can write a blog where there is a word limit. You cannot exceed that particular limit for blogging. So blogging is nothing but it is there are many famous personalities which who maintain their blogs. They write continuously about the current affairs, about the different happenings around the world. So what are the advantages of the blogs. The advantage of the blog is that you can share your opinion and thoughts to the world. It is obviously, you can also advertise if you are in a business about your services that you can provide, your products, if any, if you have. It is a effective way of advertising. People can interact directly with one another. They can comment either negative or positive. If they can all The people can also educate themselves. uh, Participation is easy and accessible to all, so people can benefit themselves by taking information from the blog created by different people. Now let's come to the next topic. That is the last topic of today. That is the social networking. Social networking is one of the most happening things nowadays. So as we all know, social networking is, as the name suggests, is about creating a network of the people with whom we interact, we chat, we share our information, our photos, our videos, and generally this is a network of the close friends and relatives. The best example of the best example of social networking sites is Facebook, where you may go and you may have friends, and those friends can uh, make you make more friends, and there is a you can create a network of people with which you can share your information and they share information with you. So some of the social networking websites which are famous are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and many others. So uh, social networking is very common nowadays. If we want to find someone whom we have not met since a long time, and we don't have any information about that person, then we can make use of the Facebook. If the person is on the Facebook, then we can search that person by name and we can contact that person, and obviously we can start conversing. So it is obviously beneficial for finding the people on the internet also. So what are the advantages of using a social networking site? The advantages of using a social networking site obviously is that we can share the photos, albums, videos, information that is important and we would like to share with others. We can search for friends and relatives, as I have already told you, that we can search we can search relatives whom we are not in contact with the help of the social networking sites. Uh, Songs and videos, I've already told you, can be shared. We can also chat with the people. Most of the social networking sites have the option of chat. We can chat, we can call, we can video call over the internet. So these are the advantages of the social networking sites. So that's all for today. Thank you.